Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards from the oracle deck. So I'll be picking one card each for your career situation, your relationship, and your general guidance. So these cards are a guidance for your situation, guys, for your career and for your relationship. So when we take this oracle's guidance, when we apply that to our life, to our situation, things will change for the better, guys. That is what I see here. That is what this oracle's guidance is about. So for your career situation first, Leos, these cards should be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So fates, that is the card for your career situation. So it just means that in your career, whether you're working or whether you are in some business, so whatever you cannot change, you have to accept it as it is, and whatever you can change with your efforts, you can change that, and you have to see that balance in both the situations, guys. So when you do that, you will know that difference in both the situations. So in a current situation, guys, maybe certain things are going in such a way that you are feeling some kind of stress or struggles, and you may feel that things are not going as expected, but you need to understand that whatever is preordained in our life, predestined in our life, so even in our career, that will surely come about, guys. That is what I see here. This card, that is the oracle's guidance. So you just have to accept those things which you cannot change. Maybe in your work situation, you may put in great efforts, you do everything, but what results you are getting, it may not be up to your expectations, guys. So you need to accept that unreservedly what is coming towards you, your present. So without that expectation, when you go for that acceptance, you will see that things will change for the better, guys. So whatever the situation is, do not fight that situation, just ride it out, stay put, see where this leads you. So when you surrender to that harmony, to see that harmony in your situation, so you are making the efforts, certain things change. Whatever changes with your efforts, certain things will not change even when you put in great efforts. So you have to find that balance in your situation. When you do that, you will be able to see success, whatever the results may be, guys. So you have to just change your attitude. That is what I see here. When you change your attitude, you will find that peace in your situation, whatever the results that are coming towards you, guys. So for your relationship, what is the card? TikTok. A similar card, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your work situations, there is divine timing working. That is what we see here with this card for your relationship. So whatever is meant to be, it will always come towards you, guys. So you don't have to make efforts to shape each and every moment up to your expectations. So sometimes in life, in this relationship, maybe we are connected to some person, but sometimes we do not have that what to say that deep connection with this person, guys. So when that happens, we need to understand that we both are in a different timing, that growth is different. Each and every one of us have a different lifestyle. We have a different unique life, each and every one of us, and each and every one of us are on a particular path in our personal growth, spiritual growth. That may be the reason we may not connect to this person sometimes. And maybe sometimes we connect to that person immediately. So some thing is bringing both of us together, that timing is working perfectly, guys. So maybe sometimes we just have to understand that when we are destined to be together with this person, we will always move towards them, and we will always be able to find that understanding, guys. So you just have to let go of your anxieties. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel that you are losing time, you are becoming old, maybe, and you are not finding the right time. So each and every one of us have our own timing, guys, in life. So at the right time, when love is supposed to come towards us, we will always find that true love with us, guys. So that in that appropriate timing, everything will come towards us. That is what this card is about. So you don't have to fear that you are losing time in your life. That is the oracle's guidance for your relationship, guys. For your general guidance, what is the card? To the sea. So with this card, guys, for your general guidance, the oracle's guidance is you have to go with the flow, guys, wherever life leads you sometimes. So you have to have that trust in yourself, trust in the universe or God, whatever you call it. So certain sometimes in our life we may be in certain situations or conditions where we feel certain things are happening through us, and it is taking us towards a particular direction. So when we have that flow in our life, we have to accept those things. We have to have that acceptance for whatever that comes through those changes, guys. So in our relationship also, sometimes we have to see where this relationship goes. We have to work for that clear understanding, and both of us can just let this relationship take its own flow. So if it is going forward, it will go forward. So sometimes we have to let things manifest in its own timing, guys. That is what I see here. And even in your work situations, you may get so many opportunities coming your way, guys. So you will see a great potential in your work if you let things go automatically, take shape automatically. Maybe some choices you may have intuition pointing towards that choice. So when you have that, you can expect miracles coming your way, guys. You will feel that things are flowing so smoothly in your life. That is what this card is about. So this is the time you have to just relax and trust the prosperity and happiness, whatever is waiting to come towards you in your life, if you just let things go in that natural way. So that is what this card is about, guys, Leos, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.